Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
As the sun begins to set over the skyline of the land, and I start to walk back towards the hotel, there's a specific kind of quiet that settles over the city centre. It's a reflective moment that lets everything I've seen today really sink in. Cleveland is a city that doesn't just ask for attention, it earns it. From the industrial muscle of the North Coast Harbour to the hallowed halls of the Fifth Street arcades, this is a place built on grit, heart, and an unbreakable sense of identity. It's a city that wears its history like a badge of honour, while constantly pushing towards what's next. And walking these streets, you can feel the 216 pride in every brick and bronze statue. If you're planning your own journey here, my biggest piece of advice is to leave room for the unexpected. While the major landmarks like the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame or the Fountain of Eternal Life are essential stops, the real magic of Cleveland often happens in the transitions. It's the way the light hits the terminal tower at dusk, the sudden roar of the crowd you hear while walking past Progressive Field, or the discovery of a hidden shop tucked inside a century-old arcade. To truly experience the city, you have to be willing to wander. There is so much more to see here than what you can fit into a single afternoon. If you have the time, you have to head east to the University Circle to explore the world-class Cleveland Museum of Art, or the Botanic Gardens. If you're looking for a different vibe, the West Side Market in Ohio City is a culinary cathedral that has been feeding the city for over 100 years. And for those who love the nightlife, the neon glow of Playhouse Square, home to the world's largest outdoor chandelier, is an absolute must. Cleveland is a city of neighborhoods, each with its own rhythm and its own story to tell. What stays with me as I wrap up this leg of the tour is the sheer resilience of the place. Cleveland has reinvented itself time and time again, but it has never lost its soul. It's a city that's easy to navigate but hard to leave. It's grand in its architecture but intimate in its community. Whether you're here for sports, the history, or the incredible food scene, you'll find that the land has a way of making you feel like you belong here, even if you're just passing through. As I head back to recharge for the next adventure, I'm struck by how much ground we've covered, not just in miles but in spirit. We've seen the memorials that honour the past and the vibrant streets that define the present. Cleveland isn't just a destination on the map, it's an experience that demands you engage with it. It's been an incredible day exploring the heart of the 216, and as the city lights begin to flicker on, I can honestly say there's nowhere else quite like it. Until next time, keep exploring, keep travelling, and remember, there's always more to discover in the land.
And the fact that Kanta is also
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.